back to this weather. Changed from yesterday. Anyway, I'm going to do a job that I was going to do. No, mate, no. I was going to do tomorrow, but I'm at work now. Just had a text, can I work tomorrow? So I'll help them out. So these peas here, I soaked them a couple of weeks ago, last week I think, week before, and I forgot about them when I was going to work. So what I did, I popped them in some compost I had and soaked them. And if you look now, most of them's green shoots on, big roots. Right. So all that mixture is going to go the other side of there. I'm going to dig a trench with that other netting as I did the other day, and I won't pop them in there, and they should be alright in there because they're nice healthy plants. And they're searching for light, so they'll get it there. So I'm going to do that. Plus I'm going to put the sweet corn in today because it's got to go in. It's getting too big for them pots, and weather's going to be okay, so I'm going to get them in. Anyway, first I'm going to get a brew. So I'll just do that netting up there, what I put on yesterday. I'll take this pigeon netting off what Henry put on, because that was only for stock pigeons getting it backside of them. Yeah, give me 2 hands for this. There you go, that netting's off, and all I've done is gone down with trowel and just made a furrow there, and we'll just drop this mix in and spread it about, and hopefully it'll be alright. Give it a good weed as well. Yeah, I'm just going to pile all that in there, so I'll see you in a minute. There you go. Healthy dose of pea shoots. That's just out of them 2 pots. That's about half a box of peas, dried peas from the shop. Just soaked overnight and then thrown into them 2 pots, just willy-nilly, and thrown them in compost and mix them in. And that's what happens. So they're healthy little plants. So I'm just going to cover them over that. Try to keep them mice off them. Drop my mark again. Not as you need it for this bit. Yeah, there you go. I'll get my furrow now and I'll furrow that up so it banks it up. And there you go. That's our second lot of peas in finally. So hope they catch these up soon, because these are starting flowering. Just noticed one before. There you go. First little pea pod. So give them a water now and then get them netted up. In fact, I won't water them, they was wetting off. I'll leave them and search down for some water. Right, let's get them sweet corn in. Oh, wouldn't you know it, I've just got them set out in the bed and starts pouring down. Anyhow, I had like enough for take four of them scabby ones out, so I took 4 of the rumps out, but I'm not wasting them because they're good roots and nice healthy plants. So I've given some root booster in there and give them a kick. We've got about 4 in greenhouse already, what I've done, little rump ones, so we'll probably have a few more spare ones there in case anything happens to these, but let this rain die down a bit and then I'll get them in. Just done them in a diagonal, one in each corner. Like a chessboard. Should be okay in there, hopefully. No freezing cold for the next couple of weeks, and they should take off in there. In fact, it's dying down, I'll get them in. Greater spotted guru sowing the seeds. That one can't do anything quiet. There you go, they're all in. My bat's killing me. I've got all pots back there. I'm just going to replace a couple of these diddy small ones with some of them what's a bit more healthy. So that's why I kept them others. Bit of infill just in case. You hear that? Wigan Chainsaw Massacre. Your friendly average neighbourhood Neanderthal making his tea. I'm going to put a kettle on now. That's what he's doing. Idiots everywhere. Surrounded by them on here. Got some more sweet peas off Steve Harper yesterday too, so I popped them in there. Look alright, they're called Just Pink. I think he breeds his own Steve across back because he fills that net there. He fills them with sweet peas at summer. And I think he breeds them, if that's what you call it. Anyhow, I'm digressing. Kettle. We've ended up with potting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them runts up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just popped them in corner here, so until these grow, and they should get watered out here and get weathered. And if we lose any, these will do as our spur. Look a bit dry anyway. But, yeah, just leave them in there as spurs. Right, because a couple of these are looking scabby, see. I'm leaving them in because they've survived this long. Might as well have a chance, haven't they? Some of them last 4 though. But we've got them 7-foot fill in if they look a bit scabby later on. Sweetcorn done. Look at that. Somebody's caught him. We've got him. Netted him.
Ken's caught me, thought I was a monkey.
A cabbage white guru.
Thought I was a monkey.
Yeah. Right, kettle on. Just while that kettle is boiling. See that lettuce has got more room now, hasn't it, without them onions in. Spreading its wings a bit more. We can taste it, that. Yeah, this tobacco flower, look at that, how nice is that? That's a nice plant, isn't it? I like that flower, me. Do you know what, I'd grow that in the back garden at home, in Rockery. I might take a couple of them little ones and pop them in. Flower up later on it here, because that's its 2nd season now, that, so these strawberries are looking loads better in here now, looking loads healthier. Good advice that from Uncle Joe from Mexico. Is that strawberries I can see around there? Oh no, it's flowers. Oh, and a strawberry on then. There we have the little one in the middle. It's looking okay in here. I'll give it a water before I go because I'm at work at morning, so just in case Henry don't make it. I'll test some carrots in a bit of that. In fact, I'll put it in there, leave it in for 10 minutes. Oh. See where these carrots are. Stick it somewhere else today, stick it over there. Just whack it in there and leave it there until we have our brew. Just water all these tomatoes. so they're all looking okay. I've filled out with Epsom salts, a handful of Epsom salts in that, filled it up, and that's tomato food. Don't need that till next week now because we've been fed, so it's plenty of time to settle. Then we'll just give it a good stir. I'll feed them about when do I feed them this week? Monday. Yeah, I'll feed them about Thursday then. I'll do it Monday, Thursday, feed. Yeah, that'll do. Twice a week. But they've been watered anyway. I've still got a bit in. They've sucked it because they're greedy and growing. That Billy O. Come on, kettle. Pretty good them sweet corn, don't they? Won't make a sound for them. Right. Had a brew. I've replaced all these with bottles now because we had enough, so all these pots can go back at the shed. So we only need one more bottle there, then we're full. And they're looking bonny on that side now too. I took that ring off that cucumber because really a cucumber doesn't need that, it's only the tomatoes. Because they've got feed roots here. I don't know if Henry's planted these or they've grown out the bottom of there. I can't see them growing out the bottom of there. But I won't take them out anyway because they shouldn't be there. There's two little plants there, can you see them? On there and on there. Let's see, they're not growing outside of there, there must be seeds what's dropped. I'll pot them up anyway. They're no good dirt. Anyway, yeah, they're not rooted up. They're rooted up, but I don't know what tomatoes are. I'll just stick them in pots. They can go up middle here. Don't like wasting plants, me, as you can tell. Excuse me. Coffee. Yeah. In a 3-inch pot and grow some roots. And loafers are enjoying it since I repotted them. Right, I'll get these in them pots. There we go. Right up to that bottom set of leaves or that first leaves. So I've got a good start in there now, give them a drink. Yeah, so they can stop in here now, them two. I'm just going ringing everything. All their fruit a bit of tomato food. So I'll give them peppers a little bit. I'll give them definitely some. There's a flowering. I've done them strawberries on the own windowsill. And then they're in that tub. Swedes, turnips bouncing on, isn't it? And spuds. Yeah. So that's everything fed, watered. Yep, everything done. I think that's about me, because it's just started raining again. Tony's wife's just turned up with kids, so he'll be getting something done. I've just repotted them yard-long beans into their own pots, put them a bit of food in, because it was looking a bit scraggy in greenhouse, but just let that water soak up and then take them out of there. It'll be alright. It's looking pretty empty along here now, isn't it? Looking full in here though. That lettuce there, looking more tasty every day when I see it. These are just spur veg, collies I think, a couple of cabbage, and everything else That backer can stop there because that should be, if I'm not mistaken, throwing roots down there, look. So I'll be getting fed and water from bottom. Keep a few of them alive. Belting. Love that tobacco flower, me. Yeah. Right, so I'm at work tomorrow, so I'll probably be on Monday. Don't know what I'll be doing. See you later.